Hello explorers! This is your teacher, Dara the Explorer. And for today's video, do you want to have a sound adventure with me? That's amazing! Because for today, we're going to talk about the International Phonetic Alphabet, specifically diphthongs. You might be wondering, what is diphthongs? Worry no more, amigas, because I have an answer to that. A diphthong is like a little sound journey. It starts with one vowel sound and slides into another. And for today's adventure, we're going to talk about 3 of them. Let's start. Let us have our first diphthong. It is I. Say it with me. I. Great job! Maybe you are not noticing, but we frequently encounter words with I. For example, high, fly, light, ice, smile. Repeat after me. High, fly, light, ice, smile. That is wonderful. Now, let us call on our second diphthong, and it is A. Can you say it with me? A. There are also many words that use with the diphthongs A. For example, day, rain, game, cake, name. Can you repeat after me? Day, rain, game, cake, name. What a great job! Now, let us call our last diphthong, and it is O. It sounds like this. O. Words with O are go, nose, snow, phone, home. Repeat after me. Go, nose, snow, home. You're a great sound explorer. Now, let us practice your diphthongs. You are all a great sound explorer. Now, let us practice your diphthongs. It's practice time! Let's test your explorer ears. I'll say a word and you shout the diphthong. Is it I, A, or O? For example, rain. The diphthongs that is used is A. Are you ready? Okay, so let's start. The first word is chain. So what is the diphthongs that I am using? Chain. Wonderful! It's A. Chain uses the diphthongs A. How about this word? Ice. Ice. What is the diphthong that I use? Ice. That's amazing! I use the diphthong I for the word ice. And for the last word, we have snow. Snow. What is the diphthong that I use in the word snow? You did a great job. I use the diphthong O for the word snow. Excellent, my friends. Today, we learned about 3 diphthongs, and they are I, A, and the O. Repeat after me. I, A, O. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, this is your teacher, Dara the Language Explorer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you, everyone.